Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. This is how to auto-reply in Facebook Messenger with your Facebook page. Let's do this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is fire up the Facebook Business Suite app, which you use to manage your Facebook page. So if you don't have that, download that app already. It is free, so we can pop that open right here. Then we can tap over here in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen where we see these 9 little dots. And then from there, we can tap on Settings. And then from there, we can tap on Automated Responses. Now on this screen, you'll see under Greet Customers, there are 2 different options. There's an instant reply and there is an away message. So on the instant reply, basically that's going to send an auto reply to someone when they message on Facebook Messenger your page for the first time. And then over here, the away message, that's basically going to auto reply to the person when they message your page when you have this away feature turned on. And you can either turn it on manually or you can schedule it. So first, let's set up an instant reply right here. We can turn that on by switching Messenger on. And then over here, we can actually edit the message that we send as well. So this is the preset message that Facebook gives us. So let's see. Hi, thanks for contacting us. We've received your message and appreciate you reaching out. So I think that's pretty good, a pretty good starting point. So I'll say, hi, thanks for contacting Warenotice, because this is for the Warenotice Facebook page. And then we can say, be sure to subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all of my awesome tech videos about things like computers, tablets, tech accessories, headphones, speakers, and really just so much more. Exclamation mark, and link to the channel right there. And voila, I think this looks very good. So now we can tap save, and now that is all set up right there. So now save. Now we can set up our away message as well. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go back to this and I'm going to copy our instant reply message so we can work with that for the away. So we can come over here, we can turn on away on, and Facebook's preset message right here says, thanks for your message. We're away and can't respond right now. We appreciate you reaching out. So I think I will start with those 2 sentences, and then I think I will paste some of this message right here. So we can put that in. Thanks for your message. And then we can say to Warenotice, and voila as well. I think that looks great. So save. And you know, maybe we can set up a scheduled time to be away as well. So add to schedule, and let's just do weekend. So we can do Saturday and Sunday. So start time is 12 a.m. End time 12 a.m. Sounds good. So save, and then yeah, let's do save again. And now we've got away set up as well. And now that we've got this Facebook Messenger automatic reply all nice and set up for the Warenotice Facebook page, I actually went and I messaged it hi, and yes, in return it sent this automatic message right here that we set up. Thanks for your message, blah 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 blah. And that's pretty cool. I guess I'll double tap and like that message, and I'll just say thanks, oh yeah, and send that. And yeah, look, I also got a notification that I got a message right there. Anyway, with that, guys, I hope you learned something new from this video on how to set up automatic replies in Facebook Messenger with your Facebook page. If you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel as well, so you don't miss out on all my other awesome tech videos about things like smartwatches, smartphones, tech accessories, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.